Change is internal. We are the Perusahaan Gas Negera have come target. With the spirit of change the vision of become a world-class energy company, we have integrated of business in every link of the chain, from the domestic to various. We all do to ensure that all domestic segment of natural gas users can enjoy the benefit and add value of the good energy from gas. When these people become part of integrated network, natural gas people network, delivering the get energy of natural, providing power, providing warmth, and turning the of life. When it's a city more than just when a city has become the focal point or move the economy forward, what makes innovation more than just it? When that innovation becomes the solution to speed up and expand the usage of naturals. For us not yet within the race of Philippines. We have grown to become an integrated group serving all the needs of the energy sector. Starting from the solution of production and supply, natural gas transportation through LNG and PNG, utilization of natural gas for fueling, and maintenance and operation of pipelines and gas, up to IT system service and another service. All this is insurance service for our customers, from the industrial sector to power. Commercial and small medium enterprise as well as the house sector. What make a business more than just a business? When growth doesn't only add value to our stakeholders, but also benefit the will and feel of communities to various social and overall responsibility. So when is energy company? When the company is supported by thousands of skills and competent workers, united together, a goal reflect and breakout when that company is us.